Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. I am coming to you from the inside of the car park at my apartment block. Today is day 99! Can you believe it? I can't believe I have reached day 99. 99 videos, my goodness. I'm so glad that you're here to help me celebrate. So let's get cracking. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I am a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence through these daily videos, through my specialist women's portrait photography and my online conscious confidence course. So if you feel like you could do with a daily boost in confidence, then subscribe to the channel. I've just been out to get some refreshments for a shoot tomorrow that is happening in the morning, and I thought it's best that I get it done, get the refreshments and everything done tonight so that I don't have to do it in the morning, and so that tomorrow can be a full-on celebratory day of 100 days of video. But before we get there, let's get to day number 99. So day 99's thought of the day. Let's see what it is. Visit your happy place often, whether in person or in mind. Today is such it's one of those days where there's just so many alignments. Do you ever have those days where everything just seems to align and there's so many serendipities and you're like, okay, universe, thank you. I'm seeing them. I'm loving them. I'm appreciating them. So I've had one of those days today, and I'm so thrilled that today is day 99 and also what the message of the day is, because it really is resonating for me in a big way today. So this morning I had my Over Coffee Confidence Conversation. It's a monthly free event that I host, and it's just a very informal gathering of women who are open to having conversations about confidence. We meet for a cup of coffee and we chat, and we kind of work through our stuff and what's coming up for us in the moment, and we share with each other and we hold ourselves accountable to each other. And so this morning during that session, I shared about the power of visualization and my own experience of having created a reality out of a vision board that I had. And this moment in my life was a very critical moment, and I have shared it before, but I'll very briefly share it here again. So back in 2016, I had a vision board, 2015, I had a vision board that I had created as my wallpaper for my laptop. And two of the pictures that I had on that vision board was a girl in Paris and, photographing the Eiffel Tower, and also a portrait of a blonde girl who had been photographed by Sue Bryce, who is a world famous women's portrait photographer, because I wanted to meet Sue and I wanted to be able to create artwork like her, portraits like her. And very long story, it's like a whole big long, I give talks around this whole talk that I'm summarizing here, so I'm not going to go into all the details, but I managed to make those two pictures on my vision board come to life. And to the day, today, 2 years ago, I was sat in Paris on the second day of a workshop. I was sat next to that blonde girl on my vision board, listening to Sue Bryce talk and teach about her photography, and I was in Paris. So two things on my vision board that came to life. And I was telling the girls around the coffee table this morning about the whole big long journey and how it all unfolded, and how that shifted my life and my business and my mind around the power of visualizing. And so to come back to today's thought of the day, the power of visualizing, the power of going to your happy place, and what the ripple effect of you going to your happy place is, the impact that can have is extraordinary. You don't even know, as you sit here right now watching this, you don't even realize the significance and the power of visualizing your dreams and your goals and your desires, because you can't even fathom them at this stage. But the more you do it, and it's not just about looking, like creating a picture in your head. It's about really immersing yourself in that vision, to the point that it feels like you are already there. You're feeling it as if you are already there. When I find that I feel like out of alignment with my goals, with my vision, and with my, this feeling inside that is my deeper knowing, my deeper truth, I physically go to the forest, because that is my happy place. And just being in the forest brings me back into alignment, into that vibration. And if I can't get to the forest, then I do the visualization of being in my beautiful house in the forest. One day that's going to be my reality. I firmly believe that. And I think the more time you spend in that vision, in your head or in reality, the more you are aligning your actions, your thoughts with what you are, you're forming those beliefs that that vision is possible. And when you align your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs, that's where the confidence can start to grow, that yes, this is possible, this is actually going to happen, I can see it happening. So, but it takes practice to get into that habit of visualizing. So let today be the catalyst to you committing to spending more time in your happy place, whether you physically go there in person. Maybe it's on the beach, maybe it's on a mountain, maybe it's just going, to a specific room in your house. Go spend as much time as you possibly can there. And if you can't physically be there, go there in your head. Go there and imagine as if you are there. Feel it as if you are there, so that you can get into that state of being, that energy, that vibration of being in that happy place. And as you live those feelings, so you begin to align your emotions, your thoughts, and your beliefs around your goals. Everything kind of starts to sync. And when you're in that vibration, amazing things happen. I don't have time to go into all of the amazing synchronicities that happened for me today, but just trust and have confidence in the power of your visions. Go and spend that time in your happy place. So that's my thought for the day. I've just had a WhatsApp from my husband. He's asking if I'm okay, because I've been gone a while. Shopping takes time. So I better get up and let him know I'm still alive. So let me know in the comments down below if this resonated with you, and what is your happy place? Where is your happy place? Describe it for me. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications button so that you see tomorrow's video, day number 100. Whoop, whoop. Gonna celebrate big time. I'll be showing you behind the scenes of tomorrow's shoots. I've got 2 shoots. So that's going to be an awesome way to celebrate. I can't wait. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.